Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to Maths class. We are in chapter 3. In today's session, we are going to learn how to compare three-digit numbers. Let's get started. Children, let's understand how to compare three-digit numbers. Here comes base 10 blocks, hundreds block, groups of 10 and loose ones. Another one here. Now if you see these pictures, in the first one we have 200 blocks, 1 and 2. In the second one we have only 100 block. Let's see tens here. 3 groups of tens and 3 groups of tens in the other one also. 8 ones and 8 ones. Okay, so when we are comparing, first we need to compare the hundreds. How many hundreds blocks are here? 1, 2 in the first one and 1 in the second one. So as 2 is greater, this number will be greater. So how do we denote it with the symbol? This is the symbol. It always opens up towards the bigger number. Let's write the numbers for this. 2 hundreds, 3 groups of 10 and 8 ones. 238, and the next one, 1 group of 100, 3 groups of 10s and 8 ones. What did we do here exactly? We have compared only the hundreds because that is the highest one. As hundreds blocks are more in the first number, that will be bigger. Let's see another one. One more picture. Yes. Now let's see the hundreds blocks here. So 1, 2, 3 in the first picture. In the second picture again we have 1, 2, 3. If both pictures have same number of hundreds blocks, we'll go to tens to compare. How many groups of tens are there? 1 and 2 in the first picture, and in the second picture 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of tens. No need to see other digits. As 4 is greater, 4 groups of 10 is greater than 2 groups of 10s, we are going to put the symbol lesser than. So here it has opened up towards the bigger number. Let's see the number for this. The first one, 3 hundreds, 2 tens, 8 ones. The second one, 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 6 ones. You can easily see 328 is lesser than 346. So when hundreds blocks are same, hundreds digit is same, so we compare tens. Okay children, now we are going to compare another set of numbers. We are going to take base 10 blocks again. There is the first picture and we want 2 pictures to compare, right? So this is the another one. Now we always have to start comparing from the highest digit. Here we don't have the digits exactly, we have the blocks. As you can see, hundreds block is bigger than groups of 10 and extra ones, right? So we always have to start from the hundreds blocks. So in the first picture we have 3 of them, 3 blocks of hundreds, and the second picture also has 3 blocks of hundreds. What do we do now? We cannot compare them because both are equal. We'll come to the next set of blocks, groups of tens. There are 2 of them in the first picture and 2 of them in the second one, 2. Again we have got same number here. Now what do? We have another option. We have extra ones over here, loose ones, right? So there are 2 loose ones In the first one and the second one, we have 6 loose ones. We can easily compare. Both are not same, right? So 2 loose ones and 6 loose ones. It clearly says that the 6 over here is bigger than 2. So how do we compare? The first number is smaller. So the sign here or symbol here will be lesser than. The first picture is less than the second one. Let's see with the numbers here. The first picture has the number 3 hundreds, 2 groups of tens and 2 loose ones. 322, and the second one is 3 groups of hundreds, 2 tens and 6 ones. 326. 326 is bigger and 322 is smaller here. Now coming to the next set of pictures. This is the first one and the second one. Okay, let's start comparing from the blocks of hundreds. 2 blocks of hundreds, 2 blocks of hundreds. Both are same. One group of 10 and one group of 10 again. Both are same. Loose ones. 4 loose ones here and 4 loose ones in the second picture too. What did you see here, children? Both are same, right? Exactly the same picture. That means they are equal to. When the hundreds blocks, tens blocks and the loose ones are same, that means both are equal. So let's write the number for this. The number is 2 hundreds, 1 10 and 4 ones, and the number for this is 2 hundreds, 1 10 and 4 ones. 214 is equal to 214. Hope you understood how to compare with the blocks. It's very easy to understand how to compare when we have blocks like this. It's easy to count, right? Now let's compare the numbers with the symbols. So we have seen with base 10 blocks in the previous slides. Now we are going to compare the numbers. Let's take the first one, 147 and 51. There are two numbers given. The rule here is a 3-digit number is bigger than a 1-digit number or a 2-digit number, because the number of digits are greater in 147. First thing is we are going to compare the number of digits. So 147 has 3 digits, 50 has 2 digits, which is lesser. So we use the symbol 147 is greater than 51. B. 381, 527. As we have seen in the previous slide, we start comparing from the hundreds. As both are 3-digit numbers, we'll start comparing from the hundreds. The number with greater hundreds digit is greater. So let's see 3 and 5. In both of them, 5 is greater. The digits 5 is greater. So we use the symbol 381 is lesser than, because as 5 is greater, 527 will be greater. So 381 is lesser than 527. Let's see the next one. 240, 262. Here if you observe, the hundreds digit is same. If hundreds digit is same, compare the tens. Next digit will be tens, so we are going to compare them. 4 and 6 in the tens. If 4 and 6 are compared, 6 is the greater number. So 262 is greater. Okay, so the symbol we use here is again 249 is lesser than 262, because 262 is a bigger number as it has tens digit more than 249. Coming to the next one, 569, 563. When we compare both these numbers, the rule here is if hundreds and tens digit are same. So here 5 6, 5 6. both hundreds digit and tens digit are same. Then what do? We'll come to the next place, ones place, 3 here and 9 in the first number. So we are going to compare the ones. 9 is greater than 3. So as 9 is greater than 3, 569 is greater than 563. So this is the correct one. Now let's see the next one. 375, 375. If all the 3 digits of both the numbers are same, numbers are equal. So we put equal to sign. So this is how we put the signs. As we have seen the rules in the previous slide, how to compare the numbers, let's quickly do this. 843, 843, both are same. So the symbol here will be, that's right, it's equal to. 372, 321. Compare the hundreds. 3 and 3, both are same. Compare the tens. 7 and 2. 7 is greater. So 372 is greater than 321. Coming to the next. 582, 632. Both are 3-digit numbers. Compare the hundreds. 5 and 6. It clearly says 6 is greater. So 632 is greater number. So 582 is smaller than 632 or lesser than. 459, 454. Both are 3-digit. 4 in the hundreds, 4 in the hundreds. Both are same. 5 in the tens, 5 in the tens. Again both are same. 9 in the ones and 4 in the ones. Yes, now we can compare as both are different. 9 is a greater number. So we put 459 is greater than 454. Coming to the next one, 2, 5, 25, 152. The first one is a 2-digit number and the second one is a 3-digit number. More number of digits, greater number. Less number of digits, smaller number. So 25 is smaller or lesser than 152. So that's how we compare the numbers. Children, let's practice as we don't forget if we practice. Here is your textbook page, page number 50 of your semester 1 textbook. You have to put the correct sign in these questions of this exercise 13. Once you are done with this, you have to click the photographs and post it on Teams to your maths teacher. You can always check your answers once you are done in the next slide. Okay, dear children, hope you have understood the concept of comparing 3-digit numbers. We are going to meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye. Take care.